Welcome to EZO. We're here to make charging your EV quick, simple, and stress-free. To get started, download the EZO app from the Apple or Google Play Store and set up your account. In the app, you'll find two ways to pay. 1. EZO Wallet. Top it up anytime and use your balance to charge. 2. EZO Charge and Go. Just add your card and pay as you go, based on energy used. Using our Inch Pro. You've got 3 easy options. Via the app. We always recommend that you plug in the charger first, then open the app, tap on Map and select Charger. Select the charger and connector. Tap Select Charging in the app. To stop charging, open App and Stop Charging. Unplug the EV. With your EZO fob or RFID card, plug in charger. Present EZO fob/RFID reader. Charging starts automatically. To stop charging, present EZO fob/RFID card to reader, press the stop button besides the screen. Unplug the EV via QR code. Plug in charger. Scan QR code corresponding to the connector. Click on Initiate Charging on web page. Agree to terms of use. Enter card details. Charging starts. To stop charging, open web page and click Stop Charging. Unplug EV. If you need support, please call our 24/7 support line. Thank you for charging with EZO.